Hello everyone, as usual it's me Pavlo, and FiiO decided to release yet another nostalgic audio device, and it's a small portable radio that they named RR1. Of course, it's not audiophilic type of device, and it fits to their line of devices that created to bring back that lost experience in the audio. And they've released cassette player, CD player, turntable, and now we have FM radio. Price is $60, which is pretty expensive, but it's a really premium device made of metal and built with maximum possible quality. So let's have a closer look. Box is typical for the recent FiiO products, made of cardboard and looks pretty clean and attractive. Inside of this box you'll get manual if you need it, you'll get radio itself. I've got a silver color version. Then flathead earbuds, and I think they added this earbud just to mimic that experience from the past, because usually when you was buying some kind of radio, you definitely got some kind of earbuds with it. And also you'll get two USB Type-C cables. One is for charging, and second one is built-in digital to analog converter, so you can plug it and you can use it as a portable DAC. But you will need this cable for it, because DAC chip itself built into the cable, and this thing works just as an amplifier. It's kind of, bonus feature, of course. If you need DAC, it's better to get some dongle. And a few foam tips for this earbuds will also be in the accessory set and will be useful. Also, I've got a bag with extra accessories. Actually, FiiO themselves wrote that it's leatherette case. It doesn't come with this box. Probably it will be sold separately, or will be some kind of pre-order bonus. So leatherette case and two pretty decent lanyards. Short one to carry on your wrist, and longer one if you want to carry the radio on your neck and be the fanciest guy ever. So there is kind of clip. It also rotatable, and it can be used for easy unplugging of the carbine. And here is the case. Actually nice looking, well stitched, and really pleasant in terms of texture. Design and build quality definitely stands out, and probably it's the best portable radio in terms of build, at least that I've seen. It's made of aluminum and feels really solidly built. It's not heavy, but it's neither lightweight, so it's about 50 grams of weight, which is a pretty balanced number in my opinion. And there are a few color versions. I've got silver one. Also there are gold, black and red ones. Unfortunately, there is no this green silver versions that FiiO use in other devices, and I'd really like to see it. So company's logo on the front side, then this scale and indicators of currently selected band. Also there are a few LEDs here. Four bottom ones shows you remaining charge in the battery. This one, top one, indicates that you tuned to some station, and the top one shows that you tuned to some stereo station. On the sides you get different switches. So here is frequency band switch. You can see that it has 3 FM bands, and you can see megahertz figures here. I think that vast majority of people lives somewhere in the FM1 area, but I'm not 100% sure here, so it depends on the region and so on. There is no AM or shortwave bands here, But let's be honest, like 99% of consumer radio stations are in the FM range now. Here you'll get two toggles. First one is Magic Bass. In the position 1, it adds low frequencies. In position 2, it improves a bit stereo separation, because FM radio usually benefits from that. And here is a tuning wheel. And as you can see, FiiO built purely analog device. So this tuning wheel is really sturdy. It requires some force to be rotated, and that allows you to do it in small increments, which is really good for tuning to some station. Really great feel of analog tuning that definitely brings some memories of the past. On the top you get headphones in socket and a knob that turns it on and adjusts volume. And you need to plug your earphones, because earphones cable works as antenna, and also it has a secondary antenna built in here, and it uses two antennas simultaneously, providing pretty decent quality of reception. At least all commercial radio stations in my region, I was able to tune to them and to get a pretty decent level of reception and pretty good clean signal. In terms of work time, it's about 8 hours for the FM function, which is pretty decent in my opinion. As for sound quality, of course, it's pretty good. Modern radio stations are okay, and one main condition, of course, to get better headphones or earphones or any other type of load. It's not super powerful, but it's pretty decent with different IEMs that doesn't require tons of amplification. And actually, I also enjoyed it with MEZ 99 Classics. Not perfectly driven, but pretty enjoyable overall experience. These earbuds are okay, but they definitely benefit from using foams and also engaging this mega bass function, because without it, they're sounding a bit too centered on the vocal. So, to summarize probably everything here, I really like FiiO that they released such a niche device. They definitely didn't consider huge sales for RR11. It's a pure product of passion to bring a bit of that nostalgic experience, as well as other their devices. But I suspect that much more people will buy, for example, DM13 or TT13 than CP or RR11, because on the CD or with turntable you'll get more high-end, more audiophilic sound. And their cassette player and this radio are more for those who feels a bit nostalgic, who wants to get this sense of connection to some other listeners that somewhere in this world tuned to this same radio frequency and listening to same DJ and music that you are listening to. And in my opinion, this experience probably cost $50 or $60, especially taking into account that you're getting really well built and solidly felt device. Thank you for listening, thank you for your attention, and of course, have a great day.